What is good, guys? Welcome back to a new video. We are at the FGCU car meet. Look at all of these Evos, man. One of these has a really nice manifold. All the other cars are super sick. Look at this GTR. I can't tell if these are wide, if this is a wide body. No, this is not. I wonder if he had to cut his fenders for that. Look at this hood though, bro. God, this thing is just filthy. All right, so this old car has a Demon motor in it. Look at this thing, bro. There probably had to be so much fabrication to get this to fit. Like, look at the interior. He even made this modern. That's so sick.
Yeah.
I don't know about you guys, but I think it's pretty sick what he did to this thing. So this is one of the Evos that has a super sick manifold. Look at all that blue. Oh, those welds. Look at that wastegate. That thing is filthy. Look at that manifold, bro. Oh, dude, this color on this Ford GT is so nice. Look at those little colored exhaust tips. This thing is sexy. I love this color combination. I posted a funny TikTok about this video. I'll put it up right now. This is the first time I've ever seen this R33. We got this SR. I think it's supercharged. Look at this Evo, man. I don't know. I kind of like Evos. I don't know, but look at that manifold, man. Look at that little turbo in there. She's peeking. I actually used to have this car, except it didn't have that hood, and I don't think the front looked like this. Yeah, I used to have a Mazda 3, but unfortunately not the Speed 3. It just looks like a pretty simple car, but then when you go to...
If you want to know anything on it, it's my buddies.
Pretty sick. Look at these. How is this even drivable, bro? I mean, not gonna lie, this is pretty impressive underneath. I don't think it's front wheel drive. They disconnected the front axle. Dude, look at this thing. Look how big it is compared to me, bro. Jesus. Then you have this monster ass truck on this side. Dude, look at the suspension in these. I love how when they paint it a certain color. God, bro, look at inside this thing. God. I've said this in a bunch of videos. These wheels are the exact wheels that I want. Wedge screens, LXCs, maybe a little bit wider than those. Maybe I would do it this wide in the back. I don't know, this is impressive. This is an old Z. Wow, bro. I've never seen one of these before. Look at this thing. Dude, imagine this thing getting sideways, like a nice little drift build. So you see this Charger. It looks normal from the side. You get a little bit closer, and there's a little snaily boy in there.
For the community, I inspire them. I do, that's why they're here. I do too. I have 1,000 car turnout on these cars. Very nice. What'd you say? I have 1,000 car turnout on these cars. Wow. They're not there for you though. Your name's not, your face isn't on them, man. It is. This is my event. I bet not. You shake that beard.
Okay, so what's so important now? So he's getting a test on ladies back now.
I don't know why we should do this. He's not giving anything. He's giving it all away now. As soon as you said stop. Giving shit away? Come on, guys. It's over in an hour. It's a joke. I mean, just come on, you guys. Let's just fucking break it up and get out of here. Everyone here's a joke. It's over in an hour. I'm doing something that none of you guys are doing. Yeah, I'm giving away shirts. I got people around. Right, yeah, you're gonna make an issue. I got people here that are inspiring.
There's a lot of
here that are.
There's a lot of fans here, dude.
Everywhere. Go spin the wheel right now. I'll get you in a shirt.
You should really be careful.
That free shirts. We should get you in a Junior Garage shirt. Free shirts. Yeah. If you were watching the wheel, you'd know that. You should see them. They're lying on their faces. I would love to be able to walk around and enjoy the car. She just got a ride in my car. You should see her. She's so happy. And you guys aren't happy. Look at these guys. What's up with that? You guys are all mad. I want a shirt. Why are you guys mad? Give them a shirt. Give them all a shirt. So I actually, hey, on me, I got you guys all shirts. On me, out of my paycheck. Even though you guys are charging.
We give them all free shirts and then you guys leave us the fuck alone.
Yeah. Or you can keep just like killing the vibe around here if you want. I'm trying to enjoy the vibe. I know. Let's get him in the shirt.
I'm saying so are we. You guys are.
I'm not trying to get a picture. We got Everyone's having a great time. Go talk to the fan. Excellent.
Jimmy, do you have a triple X
from North Carolina.
I don't know. Sure.
Yeah.
But did we?
Everything's great, bro. Absolutely be yourself.
It's over in an hour. For God's sake, it's over in an hour. Go enjoy your fucking life.
Yeah, enjoy your life. Go look at the crew cars over there. You guys want to let me?
And now you're gonna bring in all these, dude. There's a lot of fucking people
guys
here
put me in the
that are
fucking
behind
corner
them.
back
Don't even think about doing it. It'll be a fucking straight up violation. Don't even touch it. You put this kid in the corner. I've known it. That's my dude. That's your problem. And you can't handle that problem. Trust me.
What do you drive? Huh? You don't want to tell me. Talking shit about me. What you paid for it? Worked hard for this shit right now. Everyone here's for me.
You have any idea you are this close?
Go watch some more CNN, buddy.
Let them know.
You better fucking watch.
Go back to your blue state.
I'll bust your fucking ass, dude, one on one. Yeah. All talk, no bite. Shut your fucking mouth. All bark, no bite. Fucking ridiculous. I don't have to put up with this shit. Fuck ass kid, bro. Oh, you don't fucking break that nose. If I wasn't here, I would.